grace never cease. We lift His name before your throne. Your strength will stand, your truth be shown. Lord, protect our president, give him strength, make him steadfast.
Mula Phase 1 hanggang Phase 3 ay makakabuo ng sari-saring makinaryang pansaka kasama na ang mga accessories at attachments nito. Mula sa mga proyektong ito at sa iba pang initiatives ng DA at ng ating pamahalaan, nais po uli nating ipabatid ang pasasalamat sa ating Pangulo sa walang humpay na pagbibigay prioridad sa sektor ng agrikultura at patuloy na pag-agapay sa ating mga magsasaka kasama ang mangingisda para sa masaganang bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you to Agricultural Secretary Kiko Laurel. Please take a seat. Our House Speaker, Speaker of the House of Representatives, Boji D, the other members of the House of Representatives that are here with us today, the Republic of Korea Ambassador, His Excellency Lee Sang-hwa, Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs Deputy Minister Jung-woo Kim, Korea Agriculture Machinery Industry Cooperative Chairman Shin-gil Kim, Cabanatuan City Mayor Michael Vergara, Mayor, fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga magsasaka dito sa Nueva Ecija. And also, a good afternoon to our friends who have come to be with us today from South Korea. We witnessed today the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the Korea Agricultural Machinery Industrial Complex, or KAMIC. This is one of the projects that we have long looked forward to, knowing how essential reliable machinery is to our farmers. We all know all the hardships that come with farming. Our farmers work tirelessly. They invest their money, time, effort just to put food on the tables of their countrymen. Yet for many, the income that they receive does not align with the effort that they put into their work. Machinery for farming makes farming more efficient and profitable. However, the equipment that will make their work easier still has to be bought from outside of the Philippines, from overseas. And even then, many of the tools are not designed for the specific needs of our farmers here in the Philippines. These struggles deserve solutions that are lasting and within reach. Kagaya ng sabi ng ating butihing mayor, nararamdaman araw-araw at nararamdaman panghanap buhay. That is what we are trying to achieve. And so today, on the continuing search of these solutions, we unveil one of these solutions. This complex will be built for Filipino farms, tended by our local farmers. The KAMIC is the first agricultural machinery production complex in the Philippines. Its purpose is to strengthen our capacity to develop and to build farm machinery. Designed with Filipino farmers in mind, these tools will help increase production, improve crop quality, and ultimately raise the income of our farmers. Gone are the days when our farmers will have to wait for the parts for their equipment. No more overpriced equipment. No more farmers left behind in farming technology. The importance of mechanization cannot be in agriculture cannot be overstressed. Marami po tayong mga karatig bansa na kung titignan nyo po ay talagang napakataas ng level of mechanization nila. Kaya't mas efficient sila. Mas mababa ang production cost, mas mababa ang pagbenta sa ating mga palengke, at sa ganun mas malaki ang kinikita ng ating mga farmer. Kaya't napakahalaga na makapagbigay tayo ng magagandang gamit, magagandang equipment kagaya nitong nakikita natin, at mas maganda pa kung ito ay ginawa sa Pilipinas. Dahil unang-una, hindi tayo nag-aantay ng pyesa, at yung mga traktor na ito, kung ano ang hiningi ng ating mga magsasaka. Sasabihin nila, kailangan namin ng harvester, kailangan na, hindi yung harvester ninyo masyadong malaki, masyadong maliit. Pwede nating ayusin yun. Kaya't parang pinapasadya ang equipment para sa pangangailangan ng ating magsasaka. Kaya't napakahalaga nitong araw na ito, napakahalaga itong ating ginagawa. To our Korean partners, thank you for believing that the Philippines is worth investing in. Thank you for trusting the Filipino farmer and for taking part in our shared problem. Kamsahamnida. Our partnership together brings technology and hope to these individuals who nourish and who sustain us. I assure you that the government will continue to promote policies to protect your investment here in the Philippines. And aside from the ceremonial groundbreaking of CAMEC, we will also distribute and turn over various equipment and farm inputs from the Department of Agriculture. Yan po mga traktor na ating dinaanan, dyan na po, naka-assign na sila. Yung mga beneficiary po na iba't ibang Irrigators Association, mga co-op, ay nandyan na po. Simula pa lang yan. Among those that we distribute and turn over today, four-wheel drive tractors with implements, mechanical planters. Si Sekiko nahingian na ng anong hiningi sa iyo nung isang harvester. Madadagdagan ka agad ng harvester. Kaya with implements, mechanical planter, harvester, hand tractor, hybrid seeds, fertilizers, foliar, and soil ameliorants. To our farmers, we hope these machines will lighten your load. Never naman mangyari na magiging madali ang pagsasaka. Pero sana mapabilis ang trabaho ninyo at sana naman ay mapagaang ang inyong trabaho. Para naman magkaroon kayo ng panahon na makasama ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Imbes na nandun kayo sa bukid na nagtatrabaho, ay nandyan kayo sa kasama ninyo yung inyong pamilya. I truly believe that agriculture is the soul of our economy. This is why we will continue to advance the agricultural sector with technology and the support that our farmers rightly deserve, suited to the demands of the modern world. With the help of CAMEC and the hard work of our farmers, I am confident that our nation's future will be more prosperous. The farmers' future will be more prosperous. And our kababayan's future will also be more prosperous. That is how important the work of our farmers is to the rest of the country. Together, we will build productive fields here in Central Luzon and across the country where every farmer can stand tall and be dignified for the work that he or she does. That is our continuing dream, and that is what we will continue to work for. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ang mga magsasakang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Kami ng PhilMec, patuwang ang Kamiko, yung Korea Agri-Machinery Industry Cooperative. Ito yung pinakamalaking asosasyon ng mga agriculture machinery manufacturer sa bansang Korea. Naghahanap na kami ng mga partner LGUs para itayo nga yung kauna-unahang agri-machinery industry complex sa ating bansa. Nagsimula kami sa Batangas, sa Quezon, and eventually nakita natin na reliable partner ang local government unit of Cabanatuan, at nagkaroon na ng MOU pa noong 2018 para sa general implementation. Pero laking pasasalamat natin sa ating Pangulo dahil noong 2023 ganap na naisapinal yung pinal na kolaborasyon sa DA, sa PhilMec, sa Kamiko, katuwang natin ang local government unit of Cabanatuan.
Ang PhilMec ay laging iniisip kung anong magagandang facilities o mga ganitong makinarya ang ibigay sa ating mga farmers. At ang nakita nating isa na multi-version yung usage ng mga machines ay itong mga Korean machines. Kaya in-encourage natin sila na why not put a facility here para hindi na natin ini-import sa kanila. At maganda ron, malo-localize pati yung ating mga local manufacturers, may empower natin in the future. Bakit dito sa Cabanatuan? Kasi mas malapit ito sa PhilMec. Ang PhilMec kasi, yan ang R&D, Research and Development Center for Mechanization and Post-Harvest. So lahat ng mga madidevelop, mas malapit na may access yung ating mga investors dun sa ating government facility.
Unang-una, natutuwa kami doon sa patuloy na pagsuporta at paggabay ng ating Pangulo at ni Secretary Kiko Chu Laurel sa sektor ng pangisdaan at agrikultura. Kaya lubos din ang pasasalamat ng ating mga magsasaka. So dahil doon sa patuloy na paggabay ng ating Pangulo, makakatiyak tayo ng tuloy-tuloy na pagtaas ng level ng mekanisasyon sa ating bansa na napaka-importante para tumaas din ang kita ng ating mga magsasaka at pangisdaan.
Magpapasalamat kami sa ating Pangulo at naibigay na niya yung hinihiling namin para gumaan naman ang aming pamumuhay, lalong-lalo na matulungan namin ang aming pamilya at sa bayan ng Lupao. Kasi itong organisa namin na asosasyon is malaking tulong galing sa gobyerno. Maraming salamat sa PhilMec, kay Director Albindia, tapos yung mga staff niya, at saka lalong-lalo na ang ating Pangulo, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Maraming salamat po, sir. Sana bigyan mo pa kami ng maraming makinarya para lalo namin mapaunlad, sir, ang aming kabuhayan na magsasaka.
Papasalamat po ako kay President, napakalaking tulong po at saka lalong-lalo na rin po sa PhilMec na sila po ang nag-a-assist po sa amin at sila po ang naging daan para po kami makatanggap po ng mga ganyan po seniors po. Maraming salamat po sa ating Pangulo po sa ito pong araw na ito dahil makakatanggap po kami. Uli, pangalawa na po namin makukuha ang binigay po ang ating Pangulo po. Maraming salamat po.